How to add like button in YT Create application. So hey guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can add the like button in YT Create application. So it's super easy and we will make sure you get it right. You just make sure to watch the complete video carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistakes. So guys, let's get started. Open the YT Create application, and now you can see if you wanted to add the you can see the subscribe button. Now if you also wanted to add the like button, so all you have to do is you will have to tap on the search button. So just tap right here on the search. Now you will get the stickers. Now you have to select the like sticker from there. So search for the like button. So you can see here are different like buttons. From there you can add different type of like events. You can see this style of the like, you can see this style of the like button, this one, this one, this one. So you can add any of the like button as your desire. So let me select this option, and you can see this like button will be added to my video. You can see this. If